Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this zoom in and zoom out animation on Canva. So I'm just going to copy and paste this photo, making sure it's not a background. And I'm just going to go to the second slide and I'm going to zoom in, for instance, up here on the right side, like this. Maybe zoom it in a little bit more. Then I'm going to add that same picture again. I'm going to, copy this one. And I'm going to paste that one. And I'm going to, for instance, move it in the middle. Then I'm going to, let's just duplicate the page. And then I'm just going to change it to the left. And then on the last one, I'm going to put it in the middle again. And then I'm going to zoom out to this image. To add the video transition, just add in the match and move one, so it looks like it's zooming in. For me, 0.5 is a little bit too quick, so maybe 1 second or even more. And you're just going to add, that video transition to all of your photos. Again, if it's too fast, maybe we should do 1.5. I don't know. Just play around with these settings here on the seconds. And try to play it. I think it's a little bit too fast, so let's go with 1.5 or even 2. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.